Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display an extremely long list using LazyColumn with Jetpack Compose. So first I'll show you guys the output. So here is the output, and as you can see I'm displaying an extremely large list. Now while scrolling it might seem a little janky because I have recorded this video and there are some frame drops while recording, and also the performance of Jetpack Compose is not extremely good in debug mode. You might have to do release mode for your Android app to test the actual performance. But yeah, as you can see I am able to display a list of values, a list inside Jetpack Compose using LazyColumn. So let's get started. So firstly, open Android Studio, create a Jetpack Compose project. Once you do that, here I have just created a dummy list. As you can see I have just assigned some random values. Now you don't have to create an integer list, you can create a string list. It can be a data class list as well, so you can use whatever you feel like. Then I have just taken a scaffold. Inside that I have taken a LazyColumn, and for modifier I am taken fill max size and padding of whatever this padding of scaffold is. So that's what I am assigning over here. That's what it refers to. I already have a list, right? So I can just use items indexed because I want the item as well as the index. So I'm using item indexed, and I'm just passing over list, and here you can get the item, here you can get the index, and and inside this you can have anything. You can use a column, you can use a row, you can use a text input, you can use a text. So here I'm just using text, keeping it very simple. So for text I have just defined item, index. I have applied some modifiers, some font size, some font weight, some color, and some text align. So that's it. But there is another advantage of using LazyColumn is that you can easily have headers and footers. So suppose you have a list and for that you want to display some header and footer as well. So for header footer you don't have to create separate elements, so you can just directly use something like this item. Just have this item, and here you can just add whatever your header wants to be. Not necessarily this has to be an header, it can be anything. Suppose you have an extremely long list, then you want to display an ad which is in completely different format, so for that you can use something like this. Similarly over here at the bottom also you can do similar stuff. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is in Jetpack Compose. Thank you for watching. Bye.